So this is the ComVolt 4200, and this power station has over 4,000 watt hours, yet it's a very compact unit. It's got these two sturdy handles. This is the upgraded design, which does have a Bluetooth application, and in my case, I got it to work with my iPhone with no issues. What I like about it is the fact that it's very easy to understand, and there's a lot of upgrades available for it. So I have an available screen here. There's an on-off switch that can control the DC side and also the inverter. We also have a AC power delivery unit and a DC power delivery unit, and this will basically get rid of the need for a lot of different switches and breakers, and will keep everything nice and simple and very clean. And again, this is very easy to understand. To turn it on, there's a power button right here. This is going to be the inverter power, and when that button is pushed, the fan will turn on. On the back side, we have two AC plugs, and these are rated at basically 10 amps, and they're really strong. I run a water heater off this, a convection oven, and no issues. There's going to be the two COM ports, and these particular units just use Ethernet, and that's how they basically interface with the screens and those other modules that I showed. Additionally, there's going to be a solar input, which is right here, and that's an XT60 connector. It's a very common and simple connector that is very easy to go and source. The operating voltage is from 20 to 45 volts, 400 watts again. And again, this is a very compact and power dense unit, so it doesn't weigh a ton, and it has twice the amount of power that you normally get in a smaller platform like this. On the front side, we had a power delivery port, a quick charge port right here, two 10 amp regulated power ports. These are great for those refrigerators that are 12 volts. There's another one right here. There's going to be some diagnostic self-test port right here. And we have two bi-directional 14.4 40 amp connections right here, and these are going to be XT90 connectors. Again, very easy to source connectors, and I really love this ComVolt ecosystem. I have these in my camper van, and I've had them on for 6 months without turning them off, and it's been an absolute joy wiring up the van. For the 12 volt AC, 12 volt heaters was simple, and the inverter is amazing. It is sine wave, and this particular unit has a 0 millisecond transfer. Most power stations are going to be 15 seconds on the transfer. So if the electricity goes out and I'm running sensitive equipment like computers or medical devices, this particular unit will have a 0 millisecond transfer time. That is unbeatable. And I'm also going to show the efficiency. The AC efficiency is definitely into the 90s. And if I had the screen off, it might even go a little bit higher in the 90s. DC efficiency is unbeatable when it comes down to the ComVolt unit here, and this happens to be the 4200. They also make a 3000 and a 4000 as well as a 6000, and I've tested all of those different components and they all worked out great. Thank you so much for checking out this review, and make it a great day.